I'm Henry Harrison. I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Garrison. We are an electronics and software company. We produce a hardware product which is installed in the data centers at large enterprises to provide their staff with safe access to browse the web so that they can browse the web without having to worry about malware and other sorts of cyber attacks. We wanted to build a robot as part of a marketing initiative for trade shows. We attend a lot of trade shows, and our product is visually quite dull. It's a box that goes into data centers, and it occurred to us that people love robots, and if we could produce a robot that helped to illustrate what our product does in terms of providing safe web browsing, then that would be visually arresting and a draw for people on trade show floors. We turned to IDC for assistance because we knew that they had past experience helping customers with robotics projects, and so we thought that would be a good start for the work we wanted to do. And what we ended up doing was a process where they took us through a number of design concepts, looking at different ways we might be able to build our robot. We were very impressed through that process with the level of professionalism they brought to it, very serious, high-quality engineering that was applied, very good research into some of the components we might or might not be able to use, good calculations around torques and other aspects to allow us to get the design absolutely right. And once we had selected the concept, we started on the process of actually building the robot itself. During that build process, we found we were able to work extremely closely with IDC as a joint team. So they really took on the aspects of manufacturing and mechanical engineering, putting the physical unit together, whilst we owned the software work to build the control logic for what we wanted the robot to do. And we ended up with something we're extremely pleased with. We've taken the robot to trade shows, and as expected, it has indeed been a great draw for us and worked really well to help us explain what we do to people passing the stand. IDC has also been very responsive and helpful in working with us to address things that we've learned as the robot's been in operation. We've obviously made updates to the software at our end, but we've also had elements of the build that needed to be changed and refined on the basis of our experience, and that's gone very well. We're now working with IDC on a next generation robot, looking at making it more portable so that we can get it out to even more trade shows around the world. And we'll expect to continue working with them through that process.